Hello my stars, welcome back to KIKOMOON. I honestly thought I was never gonna start this video because I absolutely hate my hair right now, but we're just gonna have to go with it. Alright, so I'm filming a spring/summer haul today. It's gonna be like a small one and just like a few staples and pieces that I wanted to add to my closet. You guys already know the drill. I have my code, which is KIKOKIKO, super easy to remember, and just feel free to use it if you want some money off of your purchase, and you can easily find every item that I'll be mentioning in the box down below, and you can also scroll through the video according to whatever item you're looking for. I got a bunch of skirts because I just feel like in the summer skirts make me feel super comfortable more than wearing shorts. I got is this black kind of denim material skirt, and I've wanted like a skirt like this for a really long time. Pleats kind of start lower and this covers like your waist, and I just really like that like style, and I feel like more pleated skirts should be like that. I would say that for the fit, it's like a very normal fit. It's not loose but definitely not tight either. I personally prefer my skirts super tight on me, but I think like the average person likes when it fits like just like a normal comfortable fit. So if you're looking for that, this would be perfect for you if you're the same size as me. So I just thought it was about time to actually get a pleated skirt, and personally I got the extra small and I definitely thought it was gonna fit me, and unfortunately it doesn't fit as tight as I want. But I told you guys already, I really like my skirts tight on me. I know that most girls that purchase this like it kind of normal fitted because they can tuck in their sweaters or shirt. Alright, so the last skirt I got, I think, is this skirt. I was debating to get it. It's been in my like wish list for like a really long time, but I just didn't know if the style would like look good on me. I haven't really seen any girls wearing this, but it's just like this extremely ruched paper type of skirt, and I know it looks like nothing, but it's really a hit or a miss. Like, I feel like if I got this like a few years ago, I would be like, what the hell? And I feel like in a few years I'll look at myself and I'll be like, why did I buy the skirt? But right now I don't know, I really like the style. I would definitely would have wanted this more fitted, but overall I'm gonna keep this. A pair of pants. I rarely get any pants from YesStyle because I'm so scared that they don't fit me. So I got just this really regular pair of pants, but I mean, it fits really well. Like, the waist is a tiny bit too big, but it's not really bad because I can always like tighten it. But the leg part fits absolutely right. Like, it fits very nicely, and it does like this boot cut type of style at the end of the legs, and that's just exactly what I was looking for. Alright, so we're getting into more interesting pieces. For once I kind of went out of what I usually buy and got more like interesting pieces, I'd say, style, and this was one of my best purchase. It's exactly what I'm looking for. It sits very low on my waist because it's a large, and the design on it, I absolutely love it. Like, I don't know, do you guys know any stores that sell this type of pixelated army pants? Obviously at the end it's more like straight fitted and no elastic. I just hate elastic at my ankle. Like I said, I'm super short. I'm 5'1", and this is slightly a bit too long, but it's not really, it was never a problem for me. I like when my pants kind of like touch the ground. Next thing I got is something that I usually never ever get. I rarely ever get dresses, especially like spaghetti or very feminine dresses. But this dress, but the original brand is super expensive. It's Rat and Boa, and when I saw that YesStyle had this design, I was like, I don't necessarily want to encourage people to copy the designs because I feel like I would have hated that, but like I don't have that money, and I just really wanted to see what it looks like on me, just to see if it looks good. And honestly, if I eventually have an event to go to, maybe I'll actually buy the actual dress since I know what the color and the pattern and the type of dress actually looks on me. But this is more like, I bought it more like as a sample piece for myself, just to know if it's actually worth getting the actual dress. All just to say that I got this gorgeous kind of cowl neck dress, and I can't believe this came from YesStyle, and it's just like this lilac and gold. I have never seen this combination before, and it's absolutely stunning, and it's an extremely long dress but perfect for my height. It's kind of too big for me, as you guys can see. It's too big on the upper chest, so I don't really know, like I would have to fix it, but this material is like kind of a mesh material, so this is kind of hard to fix. Long sleeve cardigan. It is extremely see-through. It's really meant for the summer, just to have something to like put on yourself. And to be honest, on the model it looked like it kind of fitted her nicely. However, on me, even like the sleeves are kind of there's too much room in the sleeves. If you're a medium, I would definitely get the small one, and if you're a large, get the medium. Next thing I got is something very interesting. It's this kind of lingerie pajama set, and it comes with these like kind of like boyish boxers, a bit like in the like old times, in the Victorian era. And I know it looks huge, but it has like a cord inside to tighten it if you want it more fitted. And I know it looks crazy and you're like, why are you wearing this? Honestly, this is the cutest lingerie set I own. Like, there's just something so cute and actually sexy about it. Even though it doesn't fit like any style is kind of boyish and babyish, it still looks super attractive. I don't even know how to explain it. The next shirt I got is this long sleeve black top. I think it was meant for like yoga and the gym, and it kind of looks like almost like those surf long sleeve top. And I actually have got this in blue a really long time ago, and I'm in love. I've been wearing this every time I went to the gym or play badminton, and everyone would be like, why are you always wearing the same top? So that's why I got it in black, because I thought it was about time to have at least 2 shirts to go to the gym. But I really like everything about it except for the writing on it. It says, if you think you can, then you can, which is really cheesy. And I got these kind of lingerie socks, and I just kind of wanted something like this for a really long time. It's just I never got like the balls to get them. It's with this lace detailing, so this you would technically like wear around your waist, and then you would clip it to your socks, and it's just super sexy. And I got this more for myself, and I liked it so much that I got it in black as well. You can't really see much, but it's cute accessories and I absolutely love them. So the first thing I got is this earring. So basically how you wear this earring, I can actually show it to you guys. This is actually from YesStyle as well. Yeah. So you wear it like this. I found that it's just a really cute accessory to have. It can be kind of uncomfortable if you wear it for too long. My fingers are really ugly, I know. Like, I have ugly fingers, but you can see how pretty it is. And I just like can't wait to like, you know, go out downtown and be like, you know, like this. So that was it for my haul. I hope you guys like this haul, and feel free to follow me on Instagram because I post really often there. I've been really extremely active on there. So if you just want to see how I style these pieces, feel free to follow me on Instagram at findmekiko. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next haul. Bye bye.